In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine a line graph and a column graph in Microsoft Excel using a combo chart. Combining these two types of graphs can make your data presentation more insightful and easier to understand by allowing you to overlay two different types of data in one cohesive visual. So let's dive right in and see how it's done. To begin, you need to have a bar or column chart ready. If you've already created one, you're already halfway there. Simply click on your chart to select it. This selection is crucial because it tells Excel which chart you want to modify. Once your chart is highlighted, you're ready to move on to customize its appearance. Now, with your chart selected, direct your attention to the top of the Excel window where you'll find various menu options. You need to click on the Chart Design tab. This tab is specifically designed for adjusting and refining how your chart looks and functions. After clicking on it, look for the option labeled Change Chart Type and click on that. This will open a new window with an array of choices to alter the style of your graph. In the newly opened window, you'll notice a list on the left-hand side. From this list, go ahead and select Combo. The Combo Chart option is particularly useful because it enables you to mix different chart types in one graph. This is exactly what we need to achieve a combination of a line graph and a column graph. It offers a variety of ways to present multi-dimensional data all in one glance. Next, you'll need to focus on each data series presented. For the series that you wish to change into a line, find the corresponding drop-down menu and select Line. Keep the other series in their current format, which is usually set as clustered column by default, or any other bar type you've initially chosen. This step is key to creating the dual representation you're aiming for. As an additional tip, if your line graph data is on a different scale than your bar graph data, consider checking the box labeled Secondary Axis. This will allow your line and bars to be proportionate even if they use different value scales. Once you are satisfied with your selections and adjustments, go ahead and click OK. And just like that, your chart will transform into a combination of a bar graph and a line graph. This dual format chart is not only visually appealing, but also a fantastic way to compare different types of data cohesively. And that's all there is to it. Combo charts are a powerful tool for providing a comprehensive view of diverse data sets all in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy charting.